Hi guys, welcome to yet another exciting video of Sunrise in Sydney with Serena. I hope you've all had a good day today. In this video, I'd like to display a few native birds of Australia which very freely coexist with us. These birds, the cockatoos, the lorikeets, they come every morning for their breakfast fix and they love to eat bread. Please watch the Alexandrine Parrot towards the end of this video. An interesting fact, I don't know if you know, but the white cockatoo has a lifespan of 90 years. These birds are the cutest birds and are very naughty. They do some really funny tricks. They hang on the wire with their beak, and when you watch that you get so scared, wondering what's happening, and then they just fly away. I hope I can record one such video for you all shortly. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please click on the like button below. Please share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe to these videos so that you get a notification as soon as I put up a new one. Until we meet again, guys, please stay safe and thank you for watching my video.